If you're one of those people right now on Google wondering, oh, why is the price of gold going up so high all of a sudden? This video is for you, especially for beginners. I'm going to explain to you guys, I'm going to try to explain to you guys in the most plain language possible why we're seeing what I call God's money go through the roof. And this is what I mean by go through the roof. Welcome to the chart of gold. I mean, just look at this chart. Gold is trading for the first time ever in our existence at $4,000. I mean, just, all right, let me just get into the explanation. So, in order to explain to you what's going on, I got to take you backwards just a little bit. I got to take you back, so stay with me, please, right? I want you to notice what's happening to God's money, the most valuable currency, which was deemed the most valuable element on that periodic table through all of humanity's existence. Same thing with silver. This a baby, I call it the baby brother of gold. Silver's chart, you guys may have not noticed. This is silver right here. Silver's chart, and this is gold. Notice how they're doing almost the same price movement. Right around the 1970s time, it had that first peak. Then in that 08, 011 time, it had another peak. And now it's where it's at. And now let's go to gold. Let's go to gold. Around that 1970s time, it had a peak. Around that 08, 09, 011 time, it had another peak. Now it's living at ridiculous prices. I'm going to explain to you why. In order to explain, I got to take you back a little bit. Around the 1970s, does it say the date here? Yep, here it is. August 1971. President Nixon, the president at that time of the United States, he removed the gold backing from the dollar. For those that didn't know, there was a certain time in history that you could go to the bank and say, I don't really want this. I want my gold back. And you can give $35 to the bank, and it was exchangeable eye to eye. It saw eye to eye with gold for a long time right here. Just look at this horizontal part right here of this chart. Same thing with silver. Same thing was happening with silver right here. It was horizontal for a long time. But at a certain point, President Nixon, he removed that, right? Now, once President Nixon did that, which I'm not going to go into the why he did that in this video. That's for another video. I suggest you hit that subscribe button. I'll explain that to you guys another moment. But when he did that, both gold and silver had a little spike right here. Now, the reason why they had a spike is because gold, the best way I can explain it to you is gold is to a dollar to the fiat currency. Fiat currency is just the paper money, right? That fiat money, paper, the dollars, the cash. Gold is to cash what a real friend is to you. If you're getting fat, only a real friend is going to tell you that, hey, bro, you're starting to look a little chunky, man. Gold does the same thing to our cash and our economy. Whenever the dollar starts looking weak, gold lets us know. Just look at the gold chart, because gold will let us know why. Because basically gold is like a measuring ruler for the dollar, right? It shows, like, right, I'm sorry, mirror here. Gold shows where that dollar is as far as strength. So whenever the chart goes back down right here, the strength of the dollar is back up, is right back up. And in this case right here, in the 1980s, they just did a little bit of, I don't want to use the word lying, but basically the best I can explain it to you is like a Tylenol. You ever had a headache? You take a Tylenol. Does the Tylenol really cure the pain, the root of the cause, or does the Tylenol just mask the pain temporarily? That's basically what happened to all of humanity around the 80s all the way until around 08-ish. Around 08, people like myself, who was no longer in diapers, I was coming out of high school at that point. There was a crash. There was a market collapse that happened. Banks failed. What happened again? Gold, the price of gold exposed the strength or the weakness of the dollar all over again. Gold is like, hold on, man. The dollar's looking a little weak. Then they did that quantitative easing. They did that printing. They gave the Tylenol to the whole entire market. The market kind of eased up a little bit. They're like, okay, it's looking like it's fixed. No, you guys fixed the economy. So, boop, both gold and silver. I'm sorry, I'm transferring back and forth. I hope you guys are keeping up with me here. Silver dipped back down, right? The truth went right. Okay, no. They're fixing it. They got it. Then guess what happened? I'm going back to gold. The virus came, that 2020 virus that shut the whole world down. They gave everybody a stimulus check, right? Stimulus. They printed galore, more money than ever was printed all over this economy. They gave everybody like 1,500, something like that. They printed that money, print. Now we are where we are today. Gold is telling us the ultimate truth. Gold is saying, hold on, man. There's something wrong. Gold is that measuring stick that's measuring the weakness of the dollar. When gold is up, the dollar, the strength of the dollar is down. Now, let me get to why I made this channel. This is the true reason why you guys hear this crazy guy going crazy. Like, why is it? Here's why, because I'm trying to help my people out. I'm trying to show you guys there's a reason why we are all the way up where we are. And it's because money is changing. There's a reason why student debt is at an all-time high. The money printers are at an all-time high. The cost of housing is at an all-time high. We've been through a time of, human beings have been through a time like this before, kind of. But this is just a little bit different because now there's new toys, there's new technology. There's the internet is here, which brought on the blockchain, which brought on crypto, which brought on tokenization, which brought on everything that this future of money that I created right here for you guys that you can find in the link in the description below is bringing. They're changing up money. This is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy on the internet that's trying to let you guys know something funny is going on with our money. And I believe, based off everything that I've seen, I mean, the proof is all over my channel. Just look at the other videos on my channel that we are transitioning into a new financial system. They're not even lying to us anymore.
The Americans are unaware that behind the scenes, the technical backbone of the financial system is decades out of date, many, many years out of date. You know that. Paul and others are straightening it out, but payments and money transfers are costly and take days or even weeks to clear. Under this bill, the entire ancient system will be eligible for a 21st century upgrade using the state-of-the-art crypto technology. Who would have thought we would have been saying that?
President Trump, this was one of the first executive orders that he made when he came into office. They want to modernize payments to and from America's bank account. That happened on March 25th, 2025. Shortly after that, they rushed that Genius Act in place, which brought on stablecoins. If you don't know what stablecoins is, after this video, watch the What is Stablecoins video on my page. We are currently living through our time that has happened in the past when money starts changing. We're evolutionizing, we're evolving money. We're adding technology to money. We're programming the dollars. That's what stablecoin are. They're programmed dollars. That's what blockchain is here for. That's why crypto exists. And AI is going to play a role with that. Everyone has a different reason on why they think crypto is here. I personally think crypto's here so they can better monitor the amount of people that are here now. When the current financial system that is in place right now was created, some of us weren't even born. I mean, the IRS was created way back in the 1913. And the way money was working at that time, I mean, it was just working. But guess what? Things changed. The world evolves. The computers came into play. After that, they put the internet in the computers. They programmed these computers for us to communicate better. After that, the communication changed. If you're under a certain age, like if you're 20 years old watching this, you won't remember your parents having beepers like I do. I remember my parents having beepers. The communication evolved. And that's what's happening with money. Money is evolving. So If you're wondering why is the price of gold and silver going up right now, it's simply that we're currently going through a transition. People are currently going to that safety net right now. A lot of people are, and people who are not paying attention to this, they're busy on TikTok, busy scrolling on other social media apps, not paying attention to what's going on with the future of money, not capitalizing like you are actually, and understanding what's going on with money. And my biggest reason of all on doing this is because I want you to come back to me one day and be like, yo, Pastor, I appreciate you, man. You were talking to me about this. You were telling me that the system was changing. I mean, I'm not telling you, man. They're telling you. They're telling us right now. This is not a secret. It's all happening. Tokenization is coming. Smart contracts are coming. People are going to be replaced from certain positions. The blockchain is going to better enhance how money flows. The farmer way out in the middle of nowhere is no longer going to have to travel to a Western Union to put a bank deposit in. That money is going to now flow quicker on faster rails, and that's what the Bitcoin, XRPs, Cardanos, Ethereum, a lot of these are going to work together to facilitate a lot of what I'm talking about here and a lot of what they're telling us right here. So I went a little further than I should have. I'm sorry, guys. But like I said, I get a little passionate about this, and I know you were on Google typing in, why is gold going up in price? That's all. That's the only reason. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys hit that subscribe button so you can continue to learn. Hope you guys ask me questions. Hit me up in that comment section. If you got any questions, I try to make this as simple as possible for you guys to understand. And yeah, that's all. That's all. I'm going to keep coming at you. I'm going to keep teaching you guys. And we're going to navigate these changes together. I ain't going nowhere. All right. Enjoy your time, guys. For now, I'm out.